You can learn the computer fairly simply. There's actually another camera that looks directly at his face. Control in acting, like it's just so precise that it's stuff that you do, everybody does, as you're just looking around the room.
So all that work to render Toy Story and all the animation, it took about 45 minutes just to render one frame. I'm just going to remake this whole scene in Blender, but I'll do the best I can to match it. We'll see how long it takes to render the scene. Technology has definitely improved. Now we can see the huge leap and we can appreciate how much work it takes now compared to 1995. Let's do a quick setup scene and then let's just click the render button. So far I have this scene right here. I rendered it, I did some simple lighting, I tried to match it. So now I'm just gonna click render. So this scene right here took about 21.36 seconds. In 1995, this would have taken about 35 minutes to almost an hour. So it's a huge difference. You know, we gotta really appreciate 3D modeling, 3D animation. Just really quickly, and if you, I also have like a headphone 3D product animation tutorial that I just completed recently. Hope you guys just had a quick understanding of just like how big of impact those Toy Stories had in the industry as the first CGI film. And then I'll just see you guys on the next one.